All right, back on the boat and out with the old and in with the new. Very nice. Look at that. We're going to show how to transfer the holes over and get it installed. So the first thing we're going to do is transfer the holes from the console over to the windshield. And to do that, it's really easy. Even through this dark smoke gray, you can see the hole. Take a little Sharpie, look at it straight on, and mark the hole. There's some holding it for me here so it doesn't, so it kind of forms to the console, and after these screws are in, that will be no problem. All right, we're ready to drill out the holes. We're going to use acrylic point drill bits to do this. 5/16 fits the grommet, and it's this season. The windshield came with these grommets and little backer rings. So, looks like this is pretty easy. You just push them in there. Keep it isolated from the metal screw. Prevent cracking. Yeah, once you get most of it in there, looks like maybe a little, kind of a little tool. That easier. Good. All right. Go grab 5 of these and go put her in. All right, here's the install. We've got the bushings in. The holes are there, so we're going to start with the middle. And we're using black panhead machine screws because our holes were too big to fit wood screws. So right in here, and I've got my lovely assistant is in there. And hold get the washer and nut on the inside. Ready?
Yep.
No, it's getting close.
Yep.
Got it already down? All right, very nice. Nice and sturdy. This dark theme looks great with the boat. Oh, sweating. With our blackout dash panels. We've got a powder coated grab handle going to come in soon, go back in soon. So this is great. We're excited. Thanks a ton for UPD Plastics for helping us out with this windshield. It looks awesome.